Seeing the Bigger Picture by Christopher Shelton. I am at Athens State University under the direction of Dr. Timothy Thornton. So, why do we often fail to see the bigger picture? So, I feel many people fail to see the bigger picture because of the prior commitments and flexible schedule. I had a recent change that made me fail to see the bigger picture. I wanted to receive my bus driver certification, but the time commitment and change to my schedule made me never go all in. Since receiving my bus driver certification, I have not only seen the bigger picture, which means making sure that a large group of kids do not have to wait 30 minutes extra for a bus ride to and from school each day, but it also been able to help me not only with my school and school district, but also allow myself the nice salary increase for me personally. So yes, when I decided to actually go for the bus certification, it took me a minute because I was very hesitant for it. So what are my priorities? So my priorities include providing for my family, being understanding with my students, and being a better person than the day before. When you learn how to prioritize your life, you can focus with intention on what matters and accomplish your most important goals. So I pulled that reference there because what we prioritize in life is usually the main focus of the present and what we're doing that day or even trying to do that week as far as that goes. Where's your opportunity to make a difference and how are you accomplishing this? So my life is dedicated to making a difference in many people's lives. I'm a teacher, a coach, and a bus driver. I make a difference when I advocate for my students in their IEP meetings. Make a difference when I stay a little longer at baseball practice to make sure a kid feels comfortable catching the ball for the next big game. I make a difference when I pick a student up in the morning with a smile on my face and tell a joke and I had a joke to tell. It's hours of work and rework and testing and assessing and trying again. And it's reading a lot and listening more. So that's how I make a difference. I try to make a difference in kids' lives every day, especially with school and with coaching. I know that made a big impact in my life when my teachers really cared and try to figure out what was going on with me. And coaching wise, some of the best teachers I ever had were coaches. They taught me a lot about life and what's going on and trying to figure things out. Do you believe you've reached your full potential, or why or why not? No, I haven't yet. I usually always go for the safe route instead of sometimes stepping out of my comfort zone. I know that I have potential to do all the things I want to do in life, but because I'm comfortable, I often do not try to state my claim to go further in my career. I do have big picture aspirations, doing something else in my life, but sometimes I just want to pull it safe. And of course, if something happens and it doesn't work out, I can still have that as my safety plan and backup. How great can you be? How do you intend to get there, and what is holding you back? I know that I can be great by being more confident in myself and attaining the goals that are set before me. What is holding me back is I need to start focusing on being in the present and not dwelling on the past. I will continue to work towards my goals and setting many milestones in between to keep me looking at the big picture. If you have to support yourself, you bloody well better find a way that is going to be interesting. So yes, if I'm gonna support myself, I'm gonna find everything in this to be great and find it interesting along the way. Those are my references.